My favorite book. My favorite book is the Quran. It is the holy book of Muslims, revealed by Allah to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Quran guides us on how to live our lives in the best way. It teaches us to be kind, honest, and helpful to others. It also tells us to worship Allah and follow His commands. The Quran is divided into 30 parts, called paras, and has 114 chapters, known as surahs. Each surah has important lessons for us. One of my favorite surahs is Surah Al-Fatiha because it is a beautiful prayer asking for Allah's guidance. What I love about the Quran is that it answers many questions about life. It teaches us how to deal with difficulties and find peace. Whenever I feel sad or confused, reading the Quran helps me feel calm and gives me hope. Reading and understanding the Quran is important to me because it helps me become a better person and follow the right path in life. It's not just a book to read, but a guide that shows us how to live with honesty, respect, and